Let's bring up Team J Squared. Come on up, Team J Squared. And Team Doxy. Go.
All right.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's fill some rivets here. And they're off.
You don't really have
30 seconds.
That's good, better.
Time. That's it, you're done.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. All right, guys, good job. 11 rivets, congratulations. All right, let's bring up Team Lawsuit Waiting. And on the other side, we're going to bring up the Flying Rivetinis on the right fifth side. Come on up, folks. You're going to want to leave. Go.
Guys in.
Looking. Hit it hard.
Go again.
Hey!
Go, Marty and Patty!
No, let me get him in.
15 seconds.
Wait till I say it's
5.
No pressure.
Time.
Hold on. All right.
Looking good, folks. Okay, let's bring up Rosie the Riveter. Rosie and the Riveter. Okay, over here, and on the other side, let's have the Ho Bud Riveters. Ho Bud. Go. Ten seconds. Time. Alright, that was definitely two teams that emphasized quality over quantity. Looking good. Okay, let's bring up two more teams, folks. We need the Apple Riveters. Bill and Joan Booker. Come on up, right here. And let's see, we're looking for Buck Moore.
Who's Buck and who's Rivet? Here you go over there.
Yeah, over here.
Both teams ready? Go!
All right.
Get some butter out.
15 seconds. Time. All right, let's bring up Team Buck Naked.
Fixer, that's a mafia term.
Probably. They're watching.
And Team Buck Rogers. Right here, okay. Go. 30 seconds.
I got it.
10 seconds.
We're not going to beat Buck Moore.
Time. All right, let's see how they did. Buck naked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A couple of those might get disqualified, but we'll see. I'm not a judge. Who knows? Team Buck Rogers. Wow. Nice job. Almost up there with Team Buckmore. All right, let's bring up 2 more teams. We've got Fast, Fleet, Riveting. Say that 5 times fast. Fast, Fleet, Riveting. Come on up. All right, and we need Team Avion. Right over here. All right. Come on, Team Avion, take your practice runs, guys. Go. Oh no. Time. Good showing by Team Avion. And a very good showing by Fast Fleet Riveting. Keep it going. Let's move up with Club Harrison Motorsports over here. Club Harrison Motorsports. You guys here? You check it out. Okay. Okay, and see, Soft 21 didn't arrive. All right, we didn't have Soft 21. We're going to go to Masters Rivets. Masters Rivets, right over here. Come on, Matt, and listen. Go. Okay. 30 seconds.
That's got his groove on now.
10 seconds.
Oh, he's
Time. Hey, look at that. Club Harrison Motorsports tied with Rosie the Riveter for most rivets.
See, wasn't that fun?
Now remember, that doesn't determine who wins, because we got to decide if any of those rivets get disqualified. Masters rivets did pretty well, too. Not bad. Let's bring up the next 2 teams. We only got a few left. Weasel Mouth, right here. And over here, let's have the Riveting Fools. Riveting Fools, right here. Go!
You're ready.
$30 seconds.
Come on, come on, come on.
10 seconds. Time. All right, nice job. All right, nice job, everybody. Let's bring up Roses, the Riveter, and Air Hammer.
They can cast them in Sterling.
That would be something. Let it hammer and go on. Wait till it changes color. Let's not get
10 seconds. Time. All right. Nice job. Roses the Riveter and Air Hammer. Let's bring up the last teams. Tahoe Squeezers, come on down. All right. And Just Rivet It. Just Rivet It, where are you?
Competing against you guys. Oh, good neighbors.
All right, there you go. Just Rivet It. Go.
For 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Time. Time.
All right, that's it, folks, but don't go away yet. That's the last team. For now, we're going to see the service center guys do it. Let's see if they know how. Remember, these are the guys who work on your Airstream, so we hope they know what they're doing.
You want to go first, Dan?
Hey, get the blindfolds out.
All right, we got Dan. Yeah, for extra fun, he's going to do it blindfolded.
Let's start the other end.
We got more room over here. Let's do this one.
Okay.
Oh, sure.
All right, here we go. So we got Dan and we got Dave. Way back in the old days.
Ready, go.
Playing the river. 30 seconds. No kidding. But I'm willing to try it anyway.
By the way, with all the rivets in it, this is going to be the strongest Airstream connection ever.
I want to get it change the metal.
Like a sieve, though.
Now he's grooving. He's grooving now.
30.
Going to be close. Uh-oh, it's not going to be close. There we go. All right. Whoa. Looks like Dan comes out on top on this one, but Dave made a pretty respectable showing there. I think any of us would be happy to do that in the rivets. Yeah.
Just think about it. There's anywhere between 3,000 and 4,000 rivets go in like a 30-foot trailer. So when you're putting the rivets in there, you got to understand that the guys that do this every day, we wouldn't get many of them built probably at the rate that I was going. So. But there's in a 27-footer, I think counting all the screws, pop rivets, and buck rivet, there's 5,000 some different fasteners going in Airstream trailers. So it's kind of fun. It looks easier if you do it every day. Obviously, it gets easier. But it was fun having everybody here today doing it.
Thank you.
sides and everything.
No, look.
I think it's got the best looking Rivet.
I got a lot of, I got a lot of buttons, a lot of nicks.
Greg, did you get a picture of this? I'm sorry.